Hello friends, it's Daryl, and today we're working on a Dyson DC17 animal vacuum cleaner. And it has a noise, a loud rattling noise when you turn on the beater brush. The animal is unique among Dysons as it has a separate electric motor that drives the roller brush instead of an auxiliary belt driving mechanism. So we need to inspect the motor, the roller brush, and the belt to discover the cause of this problem. The first step is to use a screwdriver or a coin and turn the floor plate screws a quarter turn counterclockwise to remove the floor plate. I took a small screwdriver and a pick tool and I cleaned out all the... We're going to lift the end of the roller brush out and up away from the frame of the vacuum. And we're going to get a little pry tool or just use our fingers. If we back it up here onto the top of the plate, you get just enough room if you put the flat side facing downward where you can get the belt off of the cog grooves and work it slowly down to the end of the beater bar brush mechanism. And then when you get to the very end, you can lift it up in the air and slide the belt off over the top. Although actually it comes out over the bottom first. You watch when we lift it up. Make sure the flat part of the brush end is facing downward. That'll give you just enough room to slide the belt off over the bearing end. Look at that. There it goes, popping right off. We can see that this belt is damaged. There's a crack in it, and the inner reinforcement fibers are starting to stick out. This could be part of the problem, or it could be a symptom of something else. As I hold the floor brush in my hand, I grab the end piece and rotate it, which you can't see in this picture, but I'm rotating the end pieces, the bearings. They feel very stiff, and they don't move independently. Each end has an independent bearing in it and should spin freely. I'm getting all kinds of resistance when I try and roll the end pieces around that go through this roller brush. And that tells me that the bearing's inside and that we need a new roller brush. So luckily, I found a brush and belt package on Amazon for $16, and we're going to replace both those things, and that should solve our problem. We pinch the new belt and we hook it in over the drive gear first. And then we slide the new roller brush in underneath the belt, just like you saw me take it out. And when it's all done, we push these end caps down in so they're nice and flat and tight. The new roller brush only goes in one way with the flat side of the end caps facing the floor. You can feel them and see how they set into place. You check it with the new belt. Make sure it rolls nice and smooth. You don't feel any resistance or hear any weird noises. And with your new roller brush and your new belt, you should be good to go. And then we rotate the clips 90 degrees clockwise to lock them into place. And we should be back in business here. All right, here we go. The Dyson is back together. Clean filters, new belt, new roller brush. Thoroughly cleaned up and reconditioned inside. And I have to say, it's working very well. It's even leaving vacuum tracks in this tightly knit, short nap carpet. Usually it'd be hard to leave a vacuum track in. I would say all in all it was a successful repair. Let me turn that off. I would say all in all it's a successful repair. And if you have any questions about fixing your Dyson vacuum cleaner, please reach out to me and I will do my best to help you out with it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.